Hi my loves, so welcome to my humble home. To our humble home day. So yan. So my loves, when you come in, ayan ito yung makikita nyo, our dining table. Tapos, dito, andito yung kitchen namin. At saka, medyo hindi masyadong arrange pa sa ngayon. Kasi nga, mga 2 weeks pa lang kami, di ba? Mga 2 weeks pa lang kami dito. So, ayan. We tried our best to arrange everything, but, hindi talaga pa kaya. So, yun. Tsaka, ito yung namin dito, ni Mr. Mr. Vergara, yung opisina namin. Pero, hindi pa totally arranged din. Ayan. Ito yung desk ko. Andito yung desk ko with my 2-screen. And also, this thing here with 3-screen. He has so much there. And, ito yung nagugustuhan ko. But, look at the mess. Pero ano yan? Yung mga yung mixer niya for DJ. At saka ito yung nagustuhan ko dito. With a big window, ayan. Oh, by the way, I bought this cortina in Amazon and it's really nice because you can like design it like that. Pero yan, ayan, ang ganda ng araw, diba? Ayan. So it's a big window for our backyard. So pwede mong i-open. Let's try to open. And tada! It's nice weather. It's nice weather today. Pero cold din. So we have to close it. So, yan. So, yan. Ano na lang natin to. So, ang ganda. So, di ba, ang ganda. You can get the sunlight. And then also, so we're gonna go here. We have one bathroom in here, downstairs. And also our pantry, pero medyo messy siya, pero okay lang. Napakita ko sa inyo. Yan, yung mga kailangan namin for cooking. And also, all the cabinets, we put yung mga namin dyan.
You can't go out. You always need that in the
Rice
Filipino
cooker
house.
and stuff. I have a lot of meat here because I'm gonna cook today. My sister is coming. My sister-in-law is coming, so I'm gonna cook today. So let's go. Quick tour lang to, so kaya magmadali tayo. So yan. Ito may closet din dito for yung mga jackets and stuff. Kasi nga maginaw din dito kahit pero hindi kagaya sa New York na medyo really cold. Like they have 24 inches snow maybe now. So we put our shoes here and Mama's there. My beautiful mother is there. But look, we put thanks to my sister's friend. She gave us this yung decorations yan. Tapos ito yung mga bin namin na ginamit, hindi pa namin nilagay sa garage. So this is my living room, our living room I mean. This is our living room. And this, I bought this in Amazon, and this one, I bought it in Walmart. So yun. Medyo hindi pa siya masyadong arrange. TV. So yun lang yung living room namin. Tsaka yun, hindi pa naman na-arrange yung mga things namin dyan. So, let's go upstairs. So, you go up here. So, hindi sarado. So, you go up here. Dito lang i-open. So, this is one bedroom also. One bedroom, and this is our bathroom. It's a common bathroom with a shower. And can I show it to them? Yeah. So the shower, and yeah, so like that. And then yan. So yan. This is Anthony's room, but I'm not gonna. I don't have a permission to open. So yeah, Anthony's laughing. Stop it, baby.
Oh
No,
my
he's
God.
busy.
My room is messy. It ain't for
It's
that.
Man, Scott.
Oh yeah. So okay, let's go here. No, it's not that messy, but
Anthony's still settling in. But
yeah.
Yeah.
So look
You know,
at that
we get to
with
be-
2 screen. He's the spoiled guy. Okay.
That's a lot.
with a gaming chair. So yeah, and then here with my beautiful niece, but I think she's still sleeping. This is the another bedroom, and the final destination is what? And the final destination is our bedroom. Ta-da! But oh, so when you come in, this one is a bathroom with a shower also, and yeah, but we're gonna close it because like. So now, but does not mind. Oh, my beautiful niece is here. So now this is my bedroom here, and my beautiful niece is here. Good morning, baby. And my vanity is here. So basically, here, this is all. I think that's it. And my big closet is there. I have a big closet in here. This should I open? So this is the big closet here.
it's clean anyway.
Yes. And then actually, no, this is not mine. This is not mine. Actually, this is not mine. It's all Gilsar's clothes. He has a lot of clothes also.
Alright.
And also, so this is my closet, and that's my closet right there. So yun lang. And again, thanks again for watching, my loves. And oh wait, no, not yet. So no, not yet, my loves. I'm gonna show you my view every morning. I love the way, like here. As you can see, show it to me, maybe. Oh, look at that.
Oh, see your sun. Let me focus.
Yeah.
So far, there it is.
Like the
Hold on.
view. It's okay. Oh, that one is good. Oh, that's nice.
That needs to be cleaned on the outside.
Yeah. Sorry. So, my loves. Wait. So, my loves, that's all for today's video, and I hope you guys like our quick tour in our house here in Virginia. So, yun lang. And see you in my next vlog, my loves. Bye!
I am going. The house smells like food.
Is that on?
Of course it's on.
So what video are you doing now?
But yeah, this is the new place. A lot bigger than what we had before, but very, very good. Very, very happy. Pretty pricey, but whatever. But yeah, this is the new spot. I'll be trying my best to make as many videos as I can. And I'm sorry I couldn't give you a full house tour. I'm not really good at that. Check out Ruby's channel. I'm gonna put a link somewhere here when that's done, because she does a more concise, more. Somebody's here. The girls are here, Abby. You see no waves here. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Where's our Sophia? Huh? She's coming here later? I miss you.
Yo.
Hi, little boy. Hi, little boy. Hi, little boy.
You're so cute.
Why you bit my toe?
You right there. Relax. Oh, there he is.